Here is a statistic that might sting a little. Most Americans living paycheck to paycheck are not broke because they do not earn enough. They are broke because nobody ever taught them a system to manage the money they already have. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to fix that. You are going to build and launch a fully automated, maintenance-free personal finance system. To do this, I need you to pause the video right now and grab 3 things: your last 3 pay stubs, a complete list of your debts, and your bank login credentials. Following these steps in real time ensures you leave this video with a functional system, rather than just a list of ideas. We are launching your financial transition today. Take a look at those 3 pay stubs. Ignore your gross salary completely. We only care about the final deposit amounts, what actually lands in your checking account after taxes. This equation shows how we find your true monthly operating baseline. Just add up those last 3 deposits and divide by 3 to find your average. That single number is the only figure that matters going forward. To manage that new baseline, we are going to use the 50-30-20 framework. It is the only allocation tool you need to keep your money organized without a 50-tab spreadsheet. These 3 buckets show exactly how that split works. If your baseline is $4,000 a month, 50%, or $2,000, goes to your needs. This covers survival expenses, rent, groceries, utilities, and minimum debt payments. If you are looking at your own math and your needs are eating up way more than 50%, do not panic. With today's rent and grocery prices, that is incredibly common. 30% of your baseline goes to wants: eating out, streaming services, hobbies. Guilt-free spending is a mandatory part of a sustainable system, because a budget without any fun is one you will eventually abandon. Finally, 20% goes to your future. This includes savings, extra debt payoff, and investing. This bucket is the engine that will power the rest of the steps today. Right now, mapping these numbers does not require immediate perfection. It simply diagnoses exactly where your money is leaking so you can start strategically redirecting it. For now, halt any complex investing plans. Take the very first dollars from that 20% future category and route them straight into a separate savings account. Your goal here is exactly $1,000. That specific buffer is non-negotiable because it prevents a flat tire or an ER visit from triggering brand new credit card debt. Look at this as strict financial insurance, not wealth-building capital. Getting this progress bar to $1,000 is the difference between a bad week and a financial setback that takes a year to recover from. Once that starter fund is full, shift your attention to your debt list. You are going to target all your remaining future money at just one specific liability. You have a binary choice to make right now: the debt snowball or the debt avalanche. The snowball method has you pay off your smallest balance first, ignoring interest rates. This is designed specifically for people who require quick psychological wins and momentum to stay motivated. The avalanche method has you pay off your highest interest rate first. If you have strict discipline and want the mathematically optimal route to save the most money, this is your choice. Decisively committing to either imperfect strategy today will eliminate more debt than endlessly agonizing over the mathematically perfect choice. Pick your target and let's automate the attack. Human willpower reliably depletes by the end of the month. If you have to remember to log in and manually move money every 30 days, that manual transfer becomes the primary point of failure in your budget. So, open your banking app right now. Initiate a transfer from your checking account to either your $1,000 emergency fund or your chosen debt target. Inside the transfer screen, schedule the movement for the exact day after your paycheck hits. Then hit the toggle to make it a recurring transfer. By the way, if your employer offers a 401k match through your HR portal, securing it operates on this exact same principle of upfront, hands-off automation. Automation removes the need for monthly decision-making. By scheduling these transfers in advance, you ensure your financial goals execute regardless of your willpower or schedule. Let's review what you just accomplished. Your baseline is set, your debt target is locked, and your bank is now handling the monthly execution for you. This system also impacts your credit score. As your automated transfers ensure on-time payments and your chosen strategy begins to lower your total debt balances, your credit profile improves without further intervention. A high credit score doesn't require complex tricks. Consistent, automated on-time payments and steadily decreasing your debt utilization are the only true requirements for excellent credit. Before you close this tab, drop a comment below and tell me which specific debt payoff strategy you selected, the snowball or the avalanche. Putting it in writing helps solidify your commitment. True financial freedom belongs to those who build simple, automated systems. Start your transfer today and subscribe to the channel for the next step in your financial education.